Are you looking for a new vehicle this year? Well, Mazda has something to offer with the 2020 CX-30, brand new to the Mazda lineup. My name is JD Green. I'm a salesman here at Smail Mazda. Come for a test drive with me. So I want to walk you around the outside of this vehicle, show you the styling of the vehicle. This color here is machine gray. We got LED headlights and obviously the front plated Mazda logo here, which is going to be with the Mazda radar cruise control. And you can see the turn signals down there as well, LED. So this is a memory mirror too. So whenever you get in the vehicle and you hit your driver number, it's going to change to whatever you have that preset to. So this also has 18-inch alloyed wheels with the back tail lights being LED as well. And a wrap around for an aggressive look to the vehicle. The CX-30 fits between the CX-3 and the CX-5 in the Mazda lineup. So in the rear here, the cargo area, Mazda has a lot of room with 20.2 inches of cubic feet. So both seats fold completely flat here. On the left-hand side and the right-hand side, there's a small little button. That's all you got to do is push it in and let it fall forward. So in the back here, underneath the cargo area, you have a full spare tire with a jack and everything that you would need to repair your tire, and the Bose subwoofer underneath the tire. So in the back here of the CX-30, you can fit 2 large adults and 3 small children if you would have to. I got plenty of room. The design of the seat is actually contouring my knees, and then you have a nice cup holder right here in the center that you can lean against, and you can have 2 full-size cups. So here we are with the inside look of the 2020 CX-30. It's a lot different than any other vehicle. The Mazda put in the less is more approach in this vehicle. So you don't see a lot of buttons on the inside. It's going to be very clean and built around the driver. Here on the steering wheel, everything is nicely labeled and easy to use, with it being more of elegance and a higher end vehicle type, which they have the volume controls, the information on the dash, the adaptive cruise control with the Mazda radar cruise control, and then obviously you're set and resume for your cruise control. Mazda put their climate control right in the easy access, so I'm not even reaching that far for the climate control, from the heated seats to the dual air adjustable climate control. Everything you're going to do on the 8.8-inch color screen is going to be down here, which is the Mazda commander control. So with the Mazda 2020 CX-30 2.5 liter 4-cylinder all-wheel drive 6-speed automatic, the G-Vector control paired with the all-wheel drive system gives it a nice performance to the vehicle. So whenever I'm taking these sharp corners, you're not going to feel that body roll that you're going to do on a normal vehicle. It's going to hug the corner really well, and you'll get a nice power through the corner. It changes the torque of the tires between the corners and allows body shift with the vehicle. So in the winter time, or whenever it gets colder out, there could be a patch of snow on the road or a patch of ice. And what the vehicle is doing is it's recognizing that what's on the road, and it's going to change the torque of the tires depending on the situation to get you through that ice or that snow before you would slip. It's a proactive all-wheel drive system instead of a reactive all-wheel drive system. So you don't slip and then go into all-wheel drive. You're already in all-wheel drive before you slip. So as a driver on a Mazda CX-30, I feel very comfortable, and it almost hugs you around all the key touch points of the vehicle. Everything's laid out really nicely. The armrest is nice and comfortable with the commander control right there. Effortless driving with the G-Vector control, how you don't have to make the auto corrections while you're driving. It just feels effortless. I can hold it with 2 fingers and the steering wheel will not bounce around, and then that's a vehicle doing itself with a G-Vector Control Plus. So with Mazda's technology that they put in this vehicle, you got automatic high beam control, so your headlights would automatically come on and come off at nighttime for if there's a vehicle approaching you or if you were driving behind a vehicle. So right now, if it was dark out, our headlights would be in low beam. If the vehicles would turn and we would be the only one on the road, then the high beams would come on automatically. You don't have to adjust that. Same as raining. If it starts to rain or snow or any type of precipitation, I have automatic rain sensing wipers on right now. So if it starts to pour down rain, the windshield wipers will come on and adjust itself to the speed of the rain. So I'm going to demonstrate the Mazda radar cruise control, which is a nice technology that they put in here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it as a cruise control, and the vehicle is going to adapt its speed to that truck in front of us. So I have it set to 45 miles an hour right now, and the vehicle is sensing that there's another vehicle in front of us. So the vehicle is not going to speed up unless if that vehicle either gets out of our way or speeds up as well. So right now we're going 41. And that vehicle, that truck's about to stop at this stop sign up here, and we're going to stop with them. And I'm not stopping the vehicle at all. The vehicle did all that on itself. So now it's going to lightly speed up, and I'm going to stop for this stop sign. And then I'm going to apply the gas. Now, if you were on a highway, you wouldn't have to apply the gas again. You could just go ahead and hit resume on the steering wheel, and the vehicle will start to pick up speed again. I'm going to demonstrate the lane keep assist. Once you're going up a certain speed, Mazda is going to recognize both lanes and the lines on the roadway. So I'm going to veer off to the left a little bit, and it's going to vibrate and notify me on my dash that I need to get back into the center of the lane. It's not going to evasively steer the vehicle into the center of the lane. It's just going to alert you, just in case if there's something in front of you that you're trying to avoid. It's not going to automatically pull you back into something that you're trying to avoid. Not only does Mazda notify you on the side mirror that there's a vehicle in your blind spot, it also notifies you on a dash as well. And if I was to turn on my turn signal right now, it's going to blink and have an audible sound that I should not turn into that lane. So with the 2020 CX-30 backup camera, it is a very wide angle lens, so you can definitely see all around the vehicle on both sides from a very large distance. And then you got the warning lines on a vehicle to say that you're too close or too far away, with also rear cross traffic alert, which will notify you of vehicles coming behind you without you seeing them. Well, I hope you liked the test drive. There's much more to go over with this vehicle. So if you have any questions, please comment below or come see us off of Route 30 in Greensburg or at smailmazda.com.